Assalamu alaikum, dear students. In previous lecture, we discussed about the sample space, experiment, type of the experiment, deterministic, non-deterministic or random experiment, trial. So now, in today's lecture, we will try to learn about the event. So let's start the lecture. Event. Now, as we know about the sample space is connected with the universal set. All the possible outcome of the random experiment is called sample space. So, whatever the object contains the total outcomes of the random experiment, these are also known as sample space. So in today's topic, the event, an event is a subset of sample space. Sample space. An event is a subset of sample space. As we know, the subset in set theory, let set A and B are any two non-empty sets, that we say that A is a subset of B if each and every element of A is present in B. For example, subset. Let set A and B are any two non-empty sets. Any two non-empty sets that we say that A is a subset of B. Why? Because each and every element of A is present in B. So, let set A and B are any two non-empty sets, that we say that A is a subset of B because each and every element of A is present in B. So, we can say that, for example, let set A contains A, B, C, D. Let set B contains A, B, C, D, E, F. So in this situation, for example, A is A, B, C, D and B is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F. So we can say that A is a subset of B. A is a subset of B. Why? Because each and every element of A is present in B, and except the elements of A, other elements are also present in B. So therefore we can say that A is a subset of the set B. So with the same method, an event is a subset of a simple space. Event is a subset of a simple space. As we know, the simple space, 100% observations contained by the simple space. So all the possible outcome of a random experiment are known as is known as sample space. So event is a subset of sample space. Whatever the elements which are taken from the sample space, these are known as events. For example, an event is outcome of an is an event is an outcome of an experiment. Okay, so it usually denoted by it, so it is usually denoted by capital letter. Capital letter. For example, event A, for example, event A, event B, event C. So an event is the outcome of an experiment. When we are conducting an experiment, for example, suppose we are conducting an experiment with the die, we are conducting the experiment with a coin. So when we are conducting an experiment, usually an event denoted by the capital letter, for example, let A be the event which is obtained from the sample space. So this is the basic element. This is the basic element to which probability is applied. So in probability, the event is a basic element by which a probability can be applied. When an experiment when an experiment is performed, so when an experiment is performed, a particular event either happens or it does not. So this is a basic element to which probability is applied. What basic element? The event. The event is a basic element to which probability is applied. When an experiment is performed, a particular event either happens or it does not happens. So, for example, let A be the event. For example, let A be the event in below example. Okay. Let A be the event in below example, such that the upper number of dice, the upper number of dice contains even numbers. So let's see the example of the event. Let A be the event in below example such that the upper number of dice contains even numbers. So as we know, in this example, we know a die contains 6 sides from 1 to 6. So the sample space will be 1 to 6. Why? Because the 100% of the observations of the die is 1 to 6. So all the possible outcome of the random experiment for experimenting the die, which contains 6 numbers. For example, a die contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. So this is basically the sample space. This is basically the sample space. A sample space contains 100% observations of any object. So if we are talking about the die, so if we are talking about the dice, a die contains 6 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 100% observation of dice is 6, not other than 6, not 7, not 8, not 9, because a die contains only 1 to 6 numbers, only 1 to 6 sides. Therefore, the sample space for die is 1 to 6. Now, as we know that event is a subset of a sample space, so we have to take the event from this sample space. So can you understand that event is a subset of a sample space? So we have to take the values, we have to take the events from this sample space if we are talking about the die, if we are experimenting with the die. Okay, so event says that let A be the event in below example such that the upper number of die contains even numbers. So die contains 6 numbers. So if we are taking the even numbers, as we know the same event is a subset of a sample space, so this is a sample space of the dice. So even number contains even numbers by the event. So even number contains by the die are 2, 4 and 6. So we can make the event. How we can make the event? For example, let A be the event which contains even numbers. Let A be the event which contains even numbers. So as we know, the sample space of the die is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the even number contains by the die are 2, 4 and 6. So we can make the event by the name A. Let A be the event which contains, for example, A be the event which contains even numbers, So even numbers for A from the sample space are 2, 4, 6. So even numbers are 2, 4 and 6. So this is about the event. How to make the event from the sample space. How we can find out the event from the sample space. As we know, the sample space contains 100% observations, all the possible outcome of the random experiment, and event is a subset of a sample space. So we can find out the event from the sample space. So far this example, that the upper number of the die contains even numbers. So as even die contains 6 numbers, let A be the event. We find out the event from the sample space. Let A be the event which contains even numbers, So A is equal to 2, 4, 6. Not other than any number is contained by this sample space. So I hope we learned about the event, how event can be find out from the sample space. Let's consider another example. So let's consider another example. An experiment, for example, an experiment consists on tossing a 6-sided cubic dice So an experiment consists on tossing a 6-sided cubic dice. Number 1, what is the sample space? Number 2, describe the event. Number first, what is the sample space? Number 2, describe the event corresponding to a number greater than greater than 2 turning up. Greater than 2 turning up. Okay. So these are the two examples. If we are making an experiment, if we are conducting an experiment with the 6-sided cubic dice, what is the sample space? Number 1, to find out the sample space. If we are conducting the experiment with the 6-sided cubic dice, what will be the sample space? Number 2, describe the event corresponding to a number greater than 2 turning up. Okay, so at first condition, what is the sample space? So as we know that a sample space contains 100% observations. All the possible outcome of the random experiment is called sample space. So all the possible outcome of a die, if we are experimenting with the die, so all the possible outcomes of the die are 1 to 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the sample space will be 1 to 6 numbers. Not other than number is added in the sample space, because no any other number is added with the die. Die only and only consists on 1 to 6 numbers. So number 2, describe the event corresponding to a number greater than 2 turning up. When a die turning up, describe the number which would be greater than 2. As we know that event is a subset of a sample space. So we can find out the greater than 2 numbers from this sample space, okay. So now we are finding the event from the second example. So let A be the event corresponding to a number greater than 2. So as we know that event is a subset of sample space. So we are making the event with the name A. Let A be the event which contains numbers greater than 2. So a die contains 1 to 6 numbers. So as we know, the greater than 2 numbers are 3, 4, 5 and 6. So let A be the event which contains 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the numbers greater than 2 turning up. When a die turning up, the number will be greater than 2. So these are the numbers 3, 4, 5 and 6. These numbers are greater than 2 when turning up the die. So these numbers, from where we find out? These numbers we find out from the sample space of the die. As we know, the sample space contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers for the die. So we know that event is a subset of a sample space. We can find the event from the sample space. So this is overall about the sample space and the event. Hope you would understand the example, and we learned about the sample space and how to prepare and find out the event from the sample space. Thank you very much.